Hi, this is Alex Siegel, Master of Runes, and in this video I will show you a simple runic formula that will increase your social ability, your social success, your success with studies and all that's related to intellectual tasks and intellectual work. This rune formula consists out of 3 runes. Those are Kienas, Manas, and Vunio. Kenes is the rune of fire, rune of passion, rune of inspiration, so you will be passionate, inspired, and you will have energy for success. Manas is the rune of the social nature, rune of the social mind, and also rune of the intellectual and logical abilities. So this rune will improve your success in all these areas. Vunio is the rune of joy and satisfaction, so overall this amulet will bring you satisfaction and joy with your social and intellectual side of your life. To use this rune formula, you can create a runic amulet and activate it with a simple ritual, as I teach on my free course. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.